Welcome back to Body Sculpt, your ultimate guide to fitness and wellness. In today's episode, we delve into the exciting world of vegetarian weight loss. Many people believe that adopting a vegetarian diet means compromising on taste and nutrition, but we're here to debunk that myth. Join us as we explore how you can shed those extra pounds and sculpt your dream body while following a vegetarian lifestyle. Let's get started. Understanding vegetarianism and weight loss. Before we dive into the specifics, let's clarify what it means to be a vegetarian. A vegetarian diet focuses on plant-based foods, including fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. It excludes meat, poultry, fish, and seafood. So, how can this lifestyle support your weight loss goals? Benefits of a vegetarian diet for weight loss. Vegetarianism offers several advantages when it comes to weight loss. Firstly, plant-based foods tend to be lower in calories and saturated fats compared to animal-based products. Additionally, they are rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, keeps you feeling full, and supports a healthy metabolism. Key nutrients for vegetarian weight loss. When following a vegetarian weight loss plan, it's essential to ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients. Key nutrients for vegetarians include protein, iron, calcium, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids. We'll discuss how to meet these requirements through plant-based sources in the upcoming segments. Building a balanced vegetarian weight loss plan. Now that we understand the basics, let's explore how to construct a well-rounded vegetarian weight loss plan. Plant-based protein powerhouses. Protein is crucial for muscle growth and repair, as well as for keeping you satiated. Excellent sources of plant-based protein include legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, as well as tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and Greek yogurt. We'll show you how to incorporate these protein powerhouses into delicious and satisfying meals, embracing nutrient-dense fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are essential for providing vital nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants. We'll explore a variety of colorful options and teach you how to create vibrant salads, stir-fries, and smoothies that will make your taste buds sing while supporting your weight loss journey. Whole grains for sustained energy. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread are not only filling but also provide sustained energy throughout the day. We'll share inventive recipes and discuss portion control to help you optimize these wholesome grains for weight loss. Practical tips and tricks for success. As with any weight loss endeavor, success lies in consistency and mindful choices. Let's discover some practical tips and tricks to keep you on track. Meal planning and preparation. Meal planning is a game changer when it comes to weight loss. We'll guide you through the process of prepping your meals in advance, ensuring you always have healthy and satisfying options readily available. Mindful eating and portion control. Mindful eating involves being present and paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. We'll discuss strategies to enhance your eating experience and share portion control guidelines to avoid overeating. Staying active and incorporating exercise. Physical activity is vital for overall health and weight management. We'll explore various vegetarian-friendly exercise options, including yoga, Pilates, cardio workouts, and strength training, to help you burn calories and build lean muscle mass. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to embark on a successful vegetarian weight loss journey. Remember, a balanced and varied diet, coupled with an active lifestyle, is key to achieving your body sculpting goals. Stay tuned for more inspiring content on Body Sculpt, where we empower you to become the best version of yourself. Until next time, stay motivated, stay dedicated, and keep sculpting your body to perfection. Always consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine.